The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is issuing a press statement in the wake of widespread violence that is being experienced in West Bengal soon after the election results. The statement: elections have a significant role in democracy. In this tradition, very recently polls for assembly were conducted in West Bengal. The entire society of Bengal has vehemently participated in the same. It is but natural that the opposing sides, in the fit of emotions, sometimes cross the limits in making allegations and counter-allegations. However, we should always remember that all contesting parties belong to our country only, and all those participating in the elections, the candidates, their supporters, the voters, are citizens of the nation. But the violence unleashed statewide soon after the election results were announced is not only highly condemnable, but appears to be well conspired also. The antisocial elements active in this abhorring violence misbehaved with women folk in most barbaric and despicable manner, brutally killed the innocent people and torched the houses, shamelessly looted the shops and malls. And as a result of the unabated violence, thousands of people, including a large number of brethren belonging to scheduled castes and tribes who became shelterless, were forced to go in search of refuge to save their lives and honor. Everywhere from Kuch Bihar to Sundarbans, there is a widespread fear psychosis among the common people. The RSS condemns this gruesome violence in severest terms. It is our considered opinion that this post-poll result violence is contrary to the Bharatiya tradition of coexistence and respect to the opinion of all, as also it is totally opposed to the very spirit of democracy and one people enshrined in our constitution. That the role of state administrative machinery was completely passive and they remained mute spectators was the most heinous part of this unabated and inhuman violence. Neither the writers are seem to be afraid of anything, nor is there any initiative by the state police and administration to control the violence. The first and foremost responsibility of the ruling administration, whoever or whichever party may be in power, is to establish peace and safety in the society by maintaining law and order, to instill fear of law in the minds of the antisocial elements, and to punish those involved in violent activities. The electoral victory belongs to political parties, but the elected government is accountable to the entire society. Hence, we demand the newly elected government of West Bengal as its top priority to effectively establish rule of law by immediately containing violence, to initiate legal action against culprits by arresting them without further delay, and also to instill a feeling of safety and confidence in the minds of affected people and to take necessary steps for their rehabilitation. We also urge upon the union government to take necessary and all possible steps to establish peace in West Bengal and to ensure that the state government acts in the above direction. The RSS appeals to all the intelligentsia, the socio-religious and political leadership to play their significant role to arouse a feeling of trust and confidence, standing by the suffering sections of the society in this hour of crisis, and to condemn the violence unequivocally and also help create an atmosphere of peace, goodwill and harmony. Thank you.